So how to add your pin to the board? Let's start. Open the app. Go here, click on your profile picture, and then click all pins. And this is your pin. This pin is already on one of the boards. So if you tap on it and hold it, you can click here and edit. Okay. And as you can see, this pin is already on this board tutorial. Okay. Click on this board tutorial, and here you can create more boards. So create a board. This will be new board. Click create. Okay. And now you can see your cut here on your new board. Click done. And pin is updated. So this pin is on the new board here. And this is how can you pin your this is how can you put your pin on the new board or on some of the boards. This is how can you do it, guys. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button. If you want to support this channel, subscribe the channel, and I can do more videos in the future like these. Have a nice day. Goodbye.